So ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo ako magluto ng isang napakadali pero napakasarap na dish, ang paksiw na lechon. So for this recipe, meron lang tayong 3 steps. And step 1, papakuluan lang natin yung ating liempo for 30 minutes. Step 2, after 30 minutes, hanguin ng karne at iprito. So halfway through the cooking, maglagay tayo ng bawang, sibuyas at daon ng laurel. And finally, step 3, ibuhos ang ating lechon sauce and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And by the way, homemade nga pala yung lechon sauce na nilagay ko. So you can check it out on my previous reels a few days ago. So presenting my version ng lechon paksiw. And that's it. I hope may na-share na naman ako sa inyong recipe na pwede nyong i-try. So you may leave your comment